This is comedy gold. IKEA turns Astronomer CEO kisscam moment into a marketing win. Andy Byron, the former CEO of Astronomer, was caught having an affair with the company's HR head, Kristen Cabot, at a Coldplay concert in Boston. This unexpected moment inspired many jokes and memes. Not only regular social media users but well-known brands like Globe Air, Frido, and Tesla joined the fun by making their own hilarious posts. Now, IKEA Singapore added its twist with a cute image of a plush panda hugging a plush orangutan. They jokingly promised that the cuddles were drama-free and even added that they were HR approved. Just like Andy was seen hugging Kristen from behind, the furniture brand copied the viral moment between the two former colleagues on their Instagram page. In the caption, the brand mentioned, "Don't get caught without these. Drama-free cuddles guaranteed." Nana post shared by IKEA SG IKEA Singapore. Non-reacting to the post, a user wrote, "Genius. We need to meet this genius team behind IKEA socials." Another shared, "Finally. Something from IKEA that everyone can easily put together." To be fair, HR also approved of that other relationship, a comment read. An individual stated, "Kudos to the creativity team, IKEA. Brilliant. You are not doing anything wrong, though it just reminded me of the wife and those kids." Another mentioned, "This is comedy gold. IKEA Singapore wins the internet today." One more added, "Whoever came up with this. I hope you get a good bonus." During the Coldplay concert, when the cameras showed Andy Byron and Kristen Cabot on the big screen, things got awkward. Andy quickly went out of the frame, while Kristen covered her face with her hands. To make things worse, Coldplay's lead singer Chris Martin joked about it on stage and said, "Oh, what? Either they're having an affair or they're very shy." Swipe left for next video. Coldplay accidentally exposed an alleged affair between Astronomer CEO Andy Byron and his colleague Kristen Cabot at one of their recent concerts. Pic.twitter.com's JHV2U5UM Popbase July 17, 2025. A few days after the incident, Astronomer released a statement confirming that Andy Byron had resigned from his position as CEO. The company shared that the board had accepted his resignation and will soon begin looking for a new CEO. In the meantime, co-founder and chief product officer Pete DeJoy will continue to lead as the interim CEO. Latest blogs.